Okay, Google, what time is it?
It's 3:48 a.m.
It's 3:40 a.m. One thing I'm doing now is waking up quite early, 2 a.m., 3 a.m., and getting to the gym. So right now I am getting my pre-rolls in and getting my cup of coffee, hitting the gym, and starting this new routine where I'm waking up and getting majority of my day done before 8 a.m. I've been tackling the day with more opportunities for optimum outreach. So you guys, I hope you guys are having a great start of March 3rd. It is Happy Hump Day, the first Wednesday of the month. I got these cats over here playing whatever the hell they're playing. Where'd the ball go? What's up, Ghost? Wanna say hi to the people? Come here. Come say hi. Come on. You wanna say hi? She can say hi. You wanna say hi? These are my cats. Oh, I see what they're doing. They're playing the ball game. Watch this, guys. You guys ready? Ghost, you ready? Well, you guys watch this, watch this. Ghost, come here. Come on. I know the vlog isn't about the cats, but ways to turn up and pregame in the top of the morning watching cats play and then keep you up. So let them do their thing. You guys stay blessed. I'll see you guys in the second part of the day.
Cause when them blew past them, put these niggas on their back, get these boys a coffin. They ain't got no money, have them take it out the church offering. Left a hole in that nigga head like a sea dolphin. Every nigga in my
All right, guys, we are now at the gym. It is 4:16 a.m. Going to the gym, getting our fitness on. As the song Fergie once said, working on my fitness. It's a warm one today as the snow continues to melt and Minnesota begins to become what it once was, which is a beautiful motherfucking state. But this hoe, it's just cold. So we are here, Planet Finesse, as my boy Andy would say, Planet Finesse. And we're gonna do this new routine. And the new routine is just getting fit, starting my day a lot earlier, listen to this motivational shit, get the majority of my day done before it starts, and go down this path of financial freedom and the list goes on. So it starts waking up early. Good morning, motherfucker. Good morning. Starts with waking up early and getting your day started. So it's March 3rd. It's my third day doing this, and I can tell you guys, yes, waking up at 2 a.m., 3 a.m. Yeah. But we're gonna make the best of it. Yep. Gang, gang. And we're gonna make the best of it. Work out. Get healthy. Oh, I did all this and I forgot my shoes. I gotta go back to the car, guys. Ugh. Stay tuned. I start my workout with running, going over to the dumbbells, shrugs, curls, press, push-ups, splits, and I share some of the things I do daily. Right now I've done about 16 minutes. These early morning workouts, guys. Trying to get my body right. Wake up, get fit. Hey guys, after a day of waking up early for working out, we now have a client meeting introducing them to our VoIP services, Ring Central. So we wake up every day really early, get the day started, get busy, and get all the things I need done before our meetings and have the day to myself. So hope everyone's having a great start of their Wednesday. It is March 3rd. Stay blessed, stay you. And I got my homie coming through. She said, hey, can you help me with some shopping at IKEA? I said, I got you, sis. So you guys get to see my random things I get invited to throughout my day. Then I'm going to go out and do some DoorDash, make some money, and get my pockets fat. So you guys stay tuned. Meeting until meeting.
It will be easier for you to communicate with your team members even if they're on different locations. So it's some kind of similar with Slack for Microsoft Teams in terms of Sure.
All right, we're today with my little N-word. Gonna go help her with some dishes for IKEA because we gotta get her life on fleek. So off we go. All right, guys, we're at the good old spot IKEA, shopping our hearts out. We're gonna look for some dining apparel to spiff up her new IKEA dishware to spiff up her sleigh game. So yeah, you come through and she cooks for you, or she puts some food on the table. Hey, I was part of that those dishes. So what we're looking for is some dishware. In IKEA, we need to have the Walmart prices. So IKEA, I hope you're not watching.
I want like something called IKEA.
We're looking at different tables. Ones that are roughly between the height of 5'1" and 5'3". Short motherfuckers out here.
This.
This is dope.
It's $20.
What's it?
Yeah. What is it? It's 14. That's super cheap. What is it?
That's not true. Bar still Wolfgang comfortable. I get.
Get it down for me.
Okay, I gotta get this down too. I don't think this is something I can take down. It's not something I can take down because it's bolted in. Good God, you can't. It'll be, yeah, no, you can't take down. It's really bolted in. It's actually bolted in. That's what I'm saying. I don't want you to hurt yourself. I guess it is. No, it's not 20. What is this stuff saying? This cheers can't be 20. Design.
Oh, maybe
IKEA.
it's the cover?
These cute little colorful ones. Okay, okay, I see you. I like these. These is the lit ones. What are you feeling? What are you feeling?
I'm not impressed.
She's not impressed. Okay, IKEA, she's not impressed. I'm sorry, guys. I heard it from her. I didn't say it. I'm just a messenger. She's not impressed.
These are kind of pretty. See, they're not just plates.
These are kind of pretty. I'm the bougie person that's all about the bamboo. So
I know, like...
this would be my cereal bowl. Not this one. Fuck that. That's like a salad bowl. This
These
is.
get worn out quick.
You don't put those in the dishwasher. Those are not those. Those are hand wash. You wash them with love and organic minerals. I wouldn't. No. Cause I see that because even with my gold stuff, just to keep the gold on them. Don't dishwash. All right, well, this is all in a day's work of helping the real estate mogul over here, realtor, entrepreneur, just to design her place. We look back at this film and we're like, I got my shit now. I got this, woo, woo, woo. All right, guys, all in a busy day, shopping, supporting the homie with her IKEA purchase. And what I typically do is I end the night doing a lot of things, catching up with emails with Optimum Outreach. And today is my work week. So I work overnights as a PCA. And so got work at 10 o'clock tonight and get off at 8 a.m. tomorrow. So that is my life, people. Do a lot of things in the daytime. Got a job at night and then run my business in the daytime and entrepreneurial and all that other stuff. But you motherfuckers stay blessed. Happy Wednesday. Tomorrow's Thursday, March 4th. Got a lot of blessings coming in. My goal in the next 90 days. Got a lot of cool things happening. I'll tell you guys tomorrow what the 90-day plan is. Stay tuned.